Going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited money and dice rolls in the Monopoly Go. No jailbreak or computer is needed. So as you can see, guys, I got 900 grand and 14,000 dice rolls. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So all we got to do is go to this website right here. So once you're on the site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and type in Monopoly Go. So as you can see, guys, it says Monopoly Go mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, this shouldn't take that long. But if we go to the App Store and type in Monopoly Go, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I wouldn't encourage you guys to spend any money on this game whatsoever. But if you feel that way, you can. But as you can see, guys, it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, be sure to go ahead and try this method out. It's super insane, guys. Fully works. So as you can see, guys, I got 900,000 money and I got 14,000 dice rolls, which is a little bit different than most players have, which is pretty cool. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out about this tutorial. It's super crazy and it fully works. So all you got to do is go to this website, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Personally, I don't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome because that's not really what I like to do. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. So as you can see, I got all this money right here, which is just crazy. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. This is updated and it is working, and it is time to show you guys this crazy Monopoly Go hack. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super insane. And like, I have looked for other methods, but honestly, guys, they do not work. This is the only method that actually allows you to get unlimited money and dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yes, it's super cool. As you can see, it's right here. So you just got to download it and you're going to be all set. So as you can see, guys, I got so much money right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's so crazy. And you can see that I'm not really someone with no money. I got 900,000 cash and then 14,000 dice rolls. So that's pretty cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. So be sure to get the word out because I haven't found a lot of methods like this. And this one actually works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, all you got to do is go to this site and then you can download the Monopoly Go mod. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see y'all tonight. This is super cool. So yeah, as you can see, I got so much money in this game. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's fully working, guys. So be sure to get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.